friends, how are you? Welcome back to my channel. We'll still explain how to use Facebook app step by step. Today we'll explain how to save posts on Facebook app. Let me show you how can we do that. At first tap on Facebook app icon. Then select the post which you want to save. Let's try this one. Press on 3 dot here. After that, click on Save Posts. Here you can find many options. First one, new collection means that you will create a new collection to save this post. Second one, you already have 3 collection already created like Linked Zone, Sense and Tech for Little. Let's save it on Linked Zone. Press here. Now you already saved this post on your collection called Linked Zone. If you want to get this saved posts, just press on 3 horizontal line which shown on top right. Then press on Saved. Click on Linked Zone. This is collection which we already saved posts on it. You will find here posts which we already saved. Here we reach to the end of the video. In this video we explain how to save posts on Facebook app. That's it. If you find that our content is helpful, you can support us by tap on subscribe. You can also press on bell and tap on all to get notification for all new videos. By the way, if you have any comments, please don't hesitate to write to us and we will do our best to respond to all comments as soon as possible. Thank you for watching and see you in next video. Bye bye.